Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Over the last couple of days, I've been working on helping somebody do a wedding invitation, and I came up with this idea, and one of my subscribers, or a viewer at least, sent me this little tidbit of information, so I thought I'd share it with you. I'm not going to destroy this one, and for the one I'm doing it for, I really want to finish that part, but I've taken enough of my viewers' time on this subject. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that butterfly about right there. And we're going to go, it is a group of objects. It's a curve. So we're going to go to effects and we're going to contour. We're going to contour the outside with rounded corners, 0.1. And you see you get that contour. Now I'm going to go to object, break contour apart. I'm going to try to grab the center and I'm going to nudge it out of the way. And see, this is touching on the paper. So instead of welding this, I find it so much easier and quicker just to take your virtual segment delete key and delete those two lines. Now we're going to need to smart fill it so it'll all seal it all up, and we'll nudge that out of the way. And then I'll left click, right click, and then we'll take our butterfly, and we're still nudging so we can nudge it exactly back where it was. So now you have that butterfly part in the shape of a butterfly in lieu of that one. I really like this one a lot better, especially around the antennas. It's cutting out of paper, and it's basically really strong, or it should be, because this is all one piece with just the interior cut out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.